action, let's go. 처음 너를 찾으러.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yulia Stiputri. I am a student at the Indonesian Technocrat University, Faculty of Engineering and Computer Science from the Information System Study Program with NPM 22311-077. Through this video, I will introduce you a little about web design. Web design, if you are learning web design or web development, you will come across terms like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are often called the building block of the web. What is web design? The web is a subset of the internet like every other computer network out there. The web is made up of two main components: the web browser client and the web server. These three tools dominate web development. Every library or tool seems to be centered around HTML, CSS, and JS. So if you want to become a web developer or web design, you need to learn them well. What is HTML? HTML or Hypertext Markup Language is the standard markup language used to create and design the structure of web pages. It is a fundamental building block of the World Wide Web and is essential for creating and formatting documents that can be displayed in web browsers. HTML uses a system of tags and clauses in angle brackets to define various elements and their attributes such as headings, paragraph, link, images, form, and more. HTML provides a way to structure content on the web, allowing the developer to define the hierarchy and relationship between different parts of a web page. It is often used in conjunction with other web technologies like CSS cascading style sheets for styling and layout, and JavaScript for interactivity. HTML documents are plain text files with HTML or HTML extensions, and they can be created and edited using a simple text editor. When a user accesses an HTML document through a web browser, the browser interprets the HTML code and displays the content accordingly, providing the visual representation of the web page. This is an example HTML. What is CSS? CSS or Cascading Style Sheets is a style sheet language used to describe the presentation and formatting of a document written in HTML or XML. While HTML is responsible for structuring the content of the web page, CSS controls how the content is styled, positioned, and visually presented on the screen. CSS allows developers to define style for various elements written on HTML document. Specific attributes such as color, font size, spacing, layout, and more. By separating the content HTML from the presentation CSS, developers can achieve greater flexibility and maintainability in web designs. Changes to the visual appearance can be made centrally in the CSS file without altering the HTML structure. Key concepts in CSS include: first, selector, used to target HTML element that you want to style. Second, property, specify the visual characteristic of the selected element. Third, values, define the specific setting for the cousin properties. Fourth, selector and declaration, together selector and declaration form rules that determine how elements shall be styled. This is an example CSS. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a high-level interpreted programming language that is widely used to create dynamic and interactive content on websites. It was initially developed by Netscape and has since become one of the core technologies of the World Wide Web. Supported by all major web browsers, key features and aspects of JavaScript include: first, client-side scripting. JavaScript is primarily used for client-side scripting, meaning it runs in the user's web browser and can manipulate the content of a web page after it has been loaded. Second, object-oriented. JavaScript is an object-oriented language, which means it uses objects, properties, and methods to organize and manipulate data. Third, event-driven programming. JavaScript is event-driven, allowing developers to define how the scripts respond to various events like user action, click caprices, or changes in the document loading resizing. Fourth, versatility. While it's mainly used for front-end web development, JavaScript has expanded its reach and is now used on the server-side Node.js for back-end development as well. Fifth, integration with HTML and CSS. JavaScript is often used in conjunction with HTML and CSS to create a completed and interactive web experience. It can manipulate the document object model (DOM) to change the structure and content of a web page, and it can also modify the style CSS dynamically. Purposes: HTML, CSS, HTML in web development. HTML provides the structure for web content, allowing you to define headings, paragraphs, lists, links, and other elements. Includes semantic tags. CSS is used for styling HTML elements, controlling the visual presentation of web page. It allows for customization of color, font, spacing, and layout, providing consistent and visually appealing designs. JavaScript is a dynamic scripting language that runs in the browser, enabling the creation of interactive and dynamic user interface. It allows you to respond to user action, validate forms, and update content without requiring page reloads. That's all I can say. I end with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.